Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're gonna do a presentation about our project in algorithm and programming is online movie and ticket booking system. But first of all, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Rafli Maulana Akbar,
My name is Ariiq Yusuf the Ulhaq.
My name is Syadam Radyan Anwar.
and shall we begin? First, the definition of this topic. Online movie ticketing booking system is an application for providing the customers an anytime and anywhere service for booking tickets and providing information about the movies and their schedule online. The system reduces workload on customers. It is an automatic ticket booking system, and this system is basically aimed to provide complete information of the movie schedule to the customer according to the person, so the person can book the tickets. Next slide. And here's the definition. First, flowchart. Flowchart is a type of diagram that represents an algorithm, workflow, or process, showing the steps as blocks of various kinds and their order by connecting them with arrow. And the second was pseudocode. Pseudocode is an informal high-level description of the operating principle of computer program or other algorithm. It means the structured conversation of a programming language. Basically, it was the basic. It wasn't even a language. Next slide. And this is the tables to compare our data. In our project, there was two cinemas that were CGV and Cinema XX1. The amount price, both of them was same. On the weekdays is 35,000 rupiah and for the weekend is 50,000 rupiah. And for that is for regular class. Next slide, please.
So this is our flowchart and shadow code of our main program. First, there is character. There is name, email, and answer. The numeric, there is phone number. Then display, do you have account, accept answer. If answer, call yes, then begin, call login, call select movie, call payment, and end. Or if answer invalid, begin, call register, and end. This is our flowchart and shadow code of our login procedure. There is display, input username and password, accept username and password. If username and password valid, then return. Else display, input username and password. This is flowchart and shadow code of our register procedure. There is character, there is name and email. The numeric, there is phone number. First, display, enter your name, then accept name, display, enter your phone number, then accept phone number, display, enter your email, then accept email. This is our flowchart of procedure preparing. First, the character, there is movie, city, cinema, class, and seat. Numeric, there is date. First, display, select movie, then accept movie, display select city, then accept city, display select cinema, then accept cinema, display date, then accept date, display seats, and accept seats. This is flowchart and shadow code of our payment procedure. The character, there is debit card and GoPay. Numeric, there is ticket price and total. If ticket price equal 1, then ticket price equal 35,000 rupiah. Else, then ticket price equal 50,000 rupiah. Total equals seat multiplied by ticket price. Then display your total payment is plus total accept answer. If payment equal 1, then display please input your debit card number. Then accept debit card number. Then display please input your CCV number. Accept CVV number. Then order placed by the client. Then payment verified by card network. If account valid, then card valid. Else payment verified by card network. If card valid, then fund available. Else payment verified by card network. If fund available, then display payment verified by bank. Else payment verified by card network. Display transaction complete. Then this is flowchart enter the code of our GoPay payment. First, display input GoPay PIN, then GoPay validates the PIN. Display input the nominal of payment, then accept payment.
Okay, so this is our dry run. We have two tables in here. The first table is a table if the user have an account and pay with debit card. Then the second table is a table if the user doesn't have an account and the user pay with GoPay. The first table, the user have an account, then login input a username and password. After that, the user have to select movie, cinema, seats, and date. The user is choosing weekday date and two seats. So the price for the weekend is 35,000 rupiah, and the total is seats multiplied by price. The total is two seats and multiplied by 35,000 equal 70,000 rupiah. The user in first table select first payment. It is debit card. The user have to input the debit card number and CVV number. And if the bank verify the payment, the app will display transaction complete. The second table, the user doesn't have account, so they must to register. The user have to input their name, phone number, and email. In this table, the user input their name Rahmatul Negara and phone number and his email. After that, the user will log in by username and password. Then they have to select movie, cinema, seats, and date. The user choosing weekend date and 4 seats. So the price for the weekend is 50,000, and the total is seats multiplied by price. The total is 4 multiplied by 50,000 equal to 100,000. The user selects the second payment. It's payment with GoPay. The user have to input their GoPay PIN and GoPay will validate the PIN. Then the app display the nominal of payment. If it's done, the application will accept the payment.
And that is the total. That is the result of our work at this project. We are terribly sorry if there's some mistake occur on our work. We accept your critics and suggestion for our improvement in the future. We would like to say thank you for your attention and good day, ladies and gentlemen. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.